Shivaya. On the behalf of Parashakti Astrology and Yoga Research Cairn, this is Acharya Ashish Sharma. Welcomes you all. Friends, today I'll share my view about the concept of planting Tulsi plant, that is holy Tulsi plant in Sanatan Dharma family. What is the ancient science behind that particular plant? You must have seen in each and every Sanatan Dharma family that there is a common plant which is situated either onto the sunrising site or anywhere in the premises of Sanatan Dharma household family. Why that concept is introduced? Although apart from that scientific thought, there is a bigger spiritual and deep thought behind, as well as Ayurvedic quality of that particular plant is very great. But out of that, another important point which today I want to point it out was what is the ancient science behind planting holy Tulsi plant in each and every household. Dear friends, you have seen the quality of environment of today, and you must have seen the quality condition was what was before. Now we see the current, if you concentrate on the current situation of environment, you see the air quality which we inhale is not that much good, and the condition of environment is degrading day by day. Although we thought that we are super modern society, all the entire societies of super modern world, they are having all the scientific fact and they're researching on each and every concept of environment. But apart from that process also, we are still lacking in having a clean environment for all living beings on this earth. And because of that reason, our ancient scientists, that is the Rishi Munis of Sanatana Kala, the Rishi Munis, though they have a big thought about it, they have think very wide, very futuristic about that particular concept, and because of that reason they have introduced the concept of Tulsi Puja in each and every household. They have introduced in such a way that during the time of sunrise or sunset, either in the morning or in the evening, if we pour water to it, if we enchant mantras, or through the philosophical mantras we preach that particular plant, we will have the benefit of that particular plant. And what is the science behind it is that what I am talking about. If you see the common concept of Tulsi Puja, either in the morning or in the evening, people used to pour water to it and they used to enchant mantras and other, some people take round of it, and there are different ways of spiritual practice of which is connected to Tulsi Puja in various concepts of Sanatan philosophy. But apart from that, the basic concept which I am referring about is what is the basic science. If you see, the basic concept was that the moment we pour water to it, the remarkable, the sacred plant that is Tulsi, it actually does, it converts H2O, that is water, to O2, that is oxygen, and not only to the O2, it gives further very clarified, that is O3 level oxygen, and we know the importance of O3 in green zone maintenance and for environment. And for that reason, although the spiritual part is very deep, the Ayurvedic concept of particular Tulsi plant is very important. Apart from that, the third important thing is that they have introduced it so to have a clean environment in each and every household, so that whatever, because if a person puts its effort toward cleaning the entire environment, it is little bit very difficult for a single person to clean the entire environment. And the reason of which they have introduced it to the concept of spiritual practice which can be performed in day-to-day routine of any Sanatan Dharma, or whatever the person, if he follows the concept of Sanatan Dharma, he can use it. and that was the science. And the reason of which you can see they are very much aware about the environmental condition, how to make it more and more healthier environment, so that it is beneficial for entire globe. So that is what the concept of Vasudeva Kutumbakam, they have proved it, and for that reason they have established a way of connectivity between humans or the living being with nature, that mother nature. If we are here, it is because of the blessing of mother nature. They have introduced very widely in each and every concept of Sanatan Dharma, spiritual practice and living. Please consider it very well. Till now, if you are not following this philosophy, try to follow it up and just feel the difference. And once you feel the difference, definitely you will have something, you will give your progress to the nature, and the nature will give you further more progress to your life. Lots more things to be discussed in future. Till then, this is Acharya Ashish Sharma signing off now. Namah Shivaya.